What is good, world? It's your boy Queasy, man, back again with another exclusive video. Today we got some very sad, unfortunate news. Aw, yes, the BMW has blown up on me and left me stranded. But hey, don't be weary, because I replaced it with the ultimate luxury JDM sedan of all time. You know what? That's enough rambling. Let's get right into it. This is my 2001 Lexus LS430. Y'all see it, man. We went Japanese luxury sedan. Let's get right into it. Right here, you know, they go the wheels. What size they? I believe are they 17s? Yep. They 16s. It's okay. But yeah, we're gonna get right into the inside. First, we're gonna do the outside. We're gonna do the outside first. Y'all see, we got the sunroof. We got the back windows tinted. You get what I'm saying? It's a nice white, beige, off-white color. The wheels definitely need to get replaced ASAP. Don't even worry about that. That's on the way. You get what I'm saying? This the the back bumper and stuff. So it's a clean car to me, y'all. It's a clean car, right? We coming around to this side. Like I said, we got the rear windows tinted. I got to do the front windows. Look like a dog, not a dog, but a bird done already done pooped on me, but it's okay. Come back around. Let's get into this interior. Looking at the interior, go ahead and check it out, show them everything. You know what I'm saying? We go off-white, tan interior, super clean for a 2001. It has 170,000 miles, y'all. Original miles. Come look in the rear. They'll go to the rear, y'all. You know, very nice, very clean. For the age, you know what I'm saying? You can't really expect too much for over a 20+ year old car. But yes, y'all, this is where we at with it. God is good. I'm super blessed. I'm super thankful. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because this build is about to be epic. We going full JDM, luxury, reliable build. We might even VIP it, y'all. I don't know. I'm thinking big boy Maybach on the on the wheels. You get what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. It's your boy Queasy, man. Thank y'all again for coming with me on this journey. It was the end of one story, but the start of a new one, man. And we about to go up, man. It's Queasy, man. Let's get it.